In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PSD or AI into HTML using Figma. We'll go from importing your original design into Figma to exporting clean production-ready HTML and CSS, all using a few reliable plugins. Start by opening your design in Figma. If you already have a Figma file ready, open it and set up a frame to contain your imported content. If your source is an Illustrator AI file, the smoothest path is the Illustrator Importer plugin because it preserves editable layers and text wherever possible. Press Ctrl+/ to open the Quick Actions bar. Type Illustrator Importer. Open it. Browse to your AI file and click Import. Give the plugin a moment to process. When it's done, check your Layers panel to confirm that groups, vectors, and text came through correctly. If you notice font issues, make sure those fonts are available on your device or replace them inside Figma so your layout matches the original. If you are working from a Photoshop PSD, use the PSD dot-to-dot design plugin. It's built to bring your PSD directly into Figma while retaining layers, masks, and effects. Once again, press Ctrl+/. Type PSD dot-to-dot design. Open it, browse to your PSD, and click Import. Larger files may take a bit longer. After import, verify that key effects like shadows, gradients, and blend modes look right. And that text layers remain editable so you can make adjustments without going back to Photoshop. With your design now in Figma, it's time to convert it to HTML. Open the Quick Actions bar with Ctrl+/. Type Anima and open the plugin. Select the frame that contains your PSD or AI content. Anima can export single components or full pages into responsive HTML and CSS. Inside the plugin, preview how your layout responds across breakpoints. Then choose whether to copy code snippets for specific sections or download a complete code package for the entire page. For the best results, keep your frame structure organized and name layers clearly. Since those names often inform class names, also confirm that image fills and assets are set up to export correctly and review constraints or auto layout settings to encourage a more responsive output. Once you are satisfied with the preview, grab the code you need or download the package and integrate it into your project. And that's it. Thanks for watching.